Hello and welcome everybody. This is my Crochet Nook and I'm Linda, and today we're picking the 3 winners for the Asgard shawl pattern by Reggie over at J Hook Crochet. So there was Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around and we will pick the YouTube winner, and then on my screen on Facebook the order in which you come, so you'll all have a note, you'll you know, whatever there is, and I'll do the random number picker, and that's what I'll do with Instagram. I've already written the names down for Instagram, so I know how many people there are, and I will show you. So let's turn to the computer screen and pick the winners for the Asgard shawl pattern. Good luck everyone. Okay, so the winner for the YouTube winner, I have put the URL in, I've filtered, and I've added the comment, which was Asgard, and we've got 81. So we'll scroll down and pick the winner for this one. And the winner is Jen Reeves. She says, your Asgard shawl is stunning. Great job. I love the colour you choose. Thanks for the opportunity to win the pattern. So congratulations, Jen. Right, okay, so I'm going to pick the winner for the on Facebook, and there were 17 comments. So I'm going to go across to random org, and I'm going to put in here 17, and we're going to generate the number, and it was number 4. So I'm going to go back, and we'll go back and scroll down, and the winner is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that was Christy Turley. So let me just write that down. So it was Christy Turley. So congratulations, Christy, you won the Asgard pattern. So now I'm going to show you what I did for Instagram. Just bear with me. I wrote everybody's names down, so here you can see all everybody's names in the book. So there was 30 comments. 30 comments, so I need to change this number to number 30 and generate again. Oh, and the winner was Werner Bradshaw. As you can see, number 1 is Werner Bradshaw. Congratulations, Werner. So congratulations, ladies. So the YouTube winner is Jen Reeves. The Facebook winner is Christy Turley, and the Instagram winner is Werner Bradshaw. So ladies, could you please email me at the email address in the Facebook in the description box below, lasimpson60@gmail.com, and I can then pass your email addresses across to Reggie at J Hook Crochet for her to send you the patterns through. I want to thank each and every one of you for taking part, and for subscribing to my channel, leaving your comments, giving me the thumbs up, and sharing as well. I do so much appreciate each and every one of you, as well as my members too. So thank you all so very much. And not much not long to go before I reach 3,000 subscribers, and then I'm going to have a little party. So we'll see how it goes. But thank you, each and every one of you. Stay safe, be kind to yourself, and have a fabulous day. Congratulations to the winners. Bye for now.